Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. Wanted to show you a very cool technique that you can use using Google Ads to boost your Amazon listing. Okay, let's dive right in. So over here, you'll type in the keyword. Let's say any keyword you want to type in. You type it into Google. I actually typed it on the top. Doesn't matter. Same thing. This is the keyword that the subject is targeting. So let's say we search this keyword. And over here, you see that they are doing a Google ad on Google for the keyword. And this could be for any type of keyword. It could be for teeth whitening kit. Same thing. Teeth whitening kit. You'll see them. They're over here again, right? So they're targeting the main keyword that they want to go after. So now we click it over here, and what do we see? We see their landing page, right? Looks normal. It's their regular website. Then you scroll down a little bit, and what do you see? Ooh, you see over here, it's on sale on Amazon right now with a timer counting down, 1 hour left, and you can buy it for $10 cheaper. So, or whatever amount it is cheaper. So you click over here, buy on Amazon, and it's using a canonical URL. So it's helping the ranking, teeth whitening kit right here, helping the ranking. And they're also getting a kickback. You know, it's a brand referral. They're making money off this, and it's boosting their listing. So this person does not do any advertising at all. They do zero advertising at all. It's all Google ads. You can search the main keyword over here. You will not see them sponsoring. You know, they are the #1 bestseller, but they're not sponsoring on Amazon, because on Amazon, this keyword is disgustingly expensive and it just doesn't make sense. But on Google, the keyword is a lot cheaper. So normally I wouldn't tell people to mess around with Google ads. They're very, very hard to figure out, and you got to make sure you're doing everything in the right way. But this is definitely a very nice strategy that I want to point out that you can use. If you know what you're doing, you can use and build something very special. And that's it for today, guys. I hope this was interesting for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.